What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders? Back again with the Am Ryker Shadow Black. Today I got a treat for you. Just got my Spider Attitude dual tip muffler in, heat wrap, ready to be installed on the Am Ryker. Alright, to remove the muffler, it's that one bolt right there, 15 millimeter. And then when you go to the other side, right down in there, you see those springs right down in there? You got one on each side, you can see them. Remove those springs first, then take the bolt off and the muffler will drop right down. Alright, so there's the two springs that are holding your muffler together. You need a spring puller, pull them right off. So now I'm going to hit that bolt right there with the 15 millimeter socket. That's how you drop a Ryker muffler. Alright, so this is the Ryker stock and the aftermarket. I don't know how much the muffler weighs, about 25 pounds. This one's probably like 5 pounds or 8 pounds. This thing is super light. Holy, this is a monster. Let's get it installed. Alright, so right here is where the muffler gets bolted back into the frame. You're going to have to use two hands. So I use one hand to hold it up and the other hand on top to screw in the screw just so you can catch it. And then you can start working it in with the ratchet. There's a rubber piece there. There's a washer on the top of the bolt. You're going to use the same OEM bolts. The springs were pretty easy to put back on. I'm going to finish tightening it up. Alright, the exhaust is on. It's a little scratched up. That's my fault, I dragged it. But let's start the Ryker up. See what happens.